Finding your perfect camp. Location is key. Out in the wild, survival is key. Finding the right spot to set up camp can be the difference between a good night's sleep and a night fighting the elements. Look for level ground. Avoid setting up your tent in a ditch or depression. Water will pool there if it rains. Check for hazards. Look for dead trees, hanging branches, or large rocks that could pose a danger. Safety first, you need access to water. Being close to a water source is crucial for drinking and cleaning. However, don't camp too close to a river or stream. Flash floods can happen. Finally, consider the wind. Try to find a spot that offers some natural wind protection, like a stand of trees. This will make your stay more comfortable. Remember, a well-chosen campsite is a safe and comfortable campsite. Now, get out there and explore. So, you found the perfect spot. Now it's time to prepare your campsite. First things first. Clear the area. Remove any loose sticks, rocks, or debris that could trip you up or puncture your tent. Next, clear a fire ring. This will be the heart of your camp, so make sure it's in a safe location, away from any overhanging branches. Remember, a clean campsite is a happy campsite. Keep it tidy throughout your stay to avoid attracting unwanted wildlife or losing essential gear. Your tent is your home away from home in the wilderness. Lay out your tent footprint. This will protect the bottom of your tent from moisture and sharp objects. Next, assemble your tent poles. Most tents use a simple system of poles and clips. Once the poles are in, stake down the corners of your tent, pulling the fabric taut. This will ensure stability and prevent water from pooling on the roof. Finally, use the guy lines to further secure your tent. This is especially important in windy conditions. A campfire provides warmth, light, and a sense of camaraderie. But it's essential to build and maintain your fire safely. Start by clearing a 10-foot diameter area around your fire ring down to bare earth. Keep water and a shovel nearby at all times. In case of emergency, douse the fire with water and shovel dirt on top to smother it. Never leave your campfire unattended. Even a small ember can spark a wildfire. Before you turn in for the night, make sure your fire is completely extinguished. Pour water on it and stir the ashes to ensure no embers remain. Remember, safety first.